In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal as a payment method on Etsy as a buyer. Now, it's important to know that you won't be adding PayPal like you would a credit card or other payment method to your account. Instead, PayPal typically appears as an option during the checkout process, provided that it's supported in your region and accepted by the particular seller you're purchasing from. Let's jump right in. Start by adding the items you wish to purchase to your cart. Browse through the Etsy site, and once you've selected the products you want to buy, add them to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button on each item page. This way, you can ensure everything you want is ready for checkout and conveniently gathered in your cart. When you're ready to complete your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. You'll see several sections organized to help you complete your order. In the section labeled How You'll Pay, look for the option to select your payment method. Here is where PayPal should appear if it is available as an option for you. Now, you may not always see PayPal immediately on the list. If it's there, go ahead and select PayPal as your payment method. Etsy will then redirect you to the PayPal website. On the PayPal site, you'll need to log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Confirm that all the information is correct, and once you're sure, confirm your payment. After you have successfully confirmed your payment on the PayPal site, you will be redirected back to Etsy. This step is crucial because your order isn't complete just yet. Once back on Etsy, look for the button that says Place Your Order and click on it to finalize and complete the checkout process. This final click ensures that your payment is processed and the order is officially placed with the seller. There might be instances where PayPal doesn't appear as an option for you. If you can't see it, don't worry. There might be a few reasons this could happen. PayPal might not be available in your specific country, or the seller's shop may not support PayPal through Etsy payments. Some buyers have noticed that the PayPal option is integrated via Etsy payments and doesn't appear as a separate option. If you experience this issue, it might be helpful to check Etsy's help page or contact their customer support for further clarification. Understanding these exceptions can save you from potential frustration and help ensure a smooth purchasing experience. I hope this guide has clarified how to use PayPal for your Etsy purchases. Happy shopping, and as always, don't hesitate to leave any questions or concerns in the comments below.